Hey, it's Dr. Yates in Chicago, just bringing another video. What I want to talk more about is hair transplantation with female patients. A lot of people don't know that you can do female patients. Matter of fact, 30%, maybe even 40% of our practice is actually transplanting female patients. So there's a different art, there's a different science. You just can't approach it like you do a man because it's a different pattern, a different growth pattern, a different everything. So I want you to meet Julie.
Hi.
So Julie is one of my patients, and we've done, what have we done, Julie?
2 treatments.
2 treatments, okay. We've done 2 hair transplants, okay. Maybe for a total of around, we were just talking maybe 2,000 grafts in that range, 2,400, yes. Something like that. So I want you to look at the board here, Julie, and you can just like a school teacher, because you're very good with didactic, just take us through that board to say, where are all these pictures in your life history?
Well, the first visit that I had with Dr. Yates, I came in and you could see because of a cancer treatment that I had absolutely no hair here. It was just awful.
Just awful.
And my hairline was so back. It was just, I don't know, it was a whole section that had no hair. And then you can see here.
When was that taken?
This was taken 2014.
Okay. What about that picture to the left? You're just showing that fancy picture with the lady with all that hair.
This is 2017.
Wow, okay.
After the second treatment that I had. Mm-hmm. And look at how it filled in. I mean, I can go out, I can shop, I can do so many things out in public and not feel self-conscious. I feel like a regular person.
I would say that's a great improvement. And looking from the sides, you've done PRP too, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
You know, so.
I did that on the first treatment.
Okay, so let's turn around here and look back at the camera. So we try to do PRP all the time because PRP is growth factors from your own body that's used as fertilizer. So you can see that her hairline now, she didn't have her hairline before, it was back here. So we advanced her hairline and brought it up and made it into a feminine, very soft hairline. And Julie's very modest, but she's a musician, she's a bassist, and very, very good. Plays an upright, you know, that's a fretless, or do you play a fretless bass? You play it or both?
I play upright. I play a fretless too, but and I also sing.
And she's, gosh, and I've seen her perform a million times here in Chicago at, are we allowed to say where you sing at?
Yes.
Oh, at Benny's down on
Chop House on Upper Wabash.
Upper Wabash. Now, Benny's is good. I love Benny's because the burgers, the steaks, and they have this bacon appetizer. Isn't that good?
Yes, it's delicious.
That is really good. So, you know, come see Julie at Benny's.
On Thursdays.
On Thursdays. Her hair looks great. And for all female patients that are wondering about hair transplant, it's a little trickier than just, you know, when you see pictures of these guys on the website and their hair looks great, and there's a little more to it. So yes. You want to make sure that you're comfortable with that person, and they have done a lot of female patients. What would you say?
I would say you need an artistic doctor, a doctor that is artistic rather than just clinical. And Dr. Yates has both things. He has the artistic, he has the eye, and he also has the technique and the knowledge.
Wow, that was unsolicited. That was,
Thank you.
Very, very nice. But what I wanted to ask you, changing the subject, because people always want to know other things, like, you know, as far as bassist in your life, like, who would you say a really great bassist? Like, when I think of people playing the bass, like, you've heard of Larry Graham?
Yes.
You know, I think he's good.
Oh,
Stanley Clarke?
He's very good.
He's not great, right? Yeah, you know. Who do you think's great?
Israel Crosby, Percy Heath, Paul Chambers.
What about Paul McCartney?
Well, he's good, and he did a lot of technical advancements on recording music.
He played the bass.
Oh yeah, he's a bass player. Yeah.
Paul McCartney, who sings, you know, "This Girl Is Mine," you know, is listed as one of the great bass guitar player ever. And there's another bass guitar player that played with the group Chic. I can't think of his name. Bernard Edwards. You ever heard that name?
Yes.
He's super good.
Jaco Pastorius.
I mean, the bass is such a great instrument.
Oh, I love it.
Right, that people take it for granted, but without a bass line, if you have a good bassist that's all over the place, it just takes the music to another level, which Julie will do. So come out and see her in Chicago. For people that are saying, oh, I have a doctor who can do this in your city, well, you know, maybe you can, but we're in Chicago, so we make it very easy. We're in the city of the central area of the United States, so it's easy to get here.
And Dr. Yates's technicians and the people that work for him are very, very capable, and they're excellent.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So have a good holiday season. See you soon.
Bye.